Una-una, I would like to thank Mr. Susara for giving us the opportunity to host this ABC Women's Cup. It's a great experience. It's giving a good name for our city, and I hope nagawa namin yung dapat na gawin namin as host. Try to have our effort done para magkakaroon pa tayo ng mas maraming event dito sa Candon. It's a big challenge. We just do our part in developing the sports in Candon and providing all the necessary infrastructure for that. It's of course it is a long process, but I think little by little we are doing our part. Now we have a practice gymnasium. We have 3, so we are happy that we can provide it during this hosting of this event para meron silang mapag-practicean. So, yun talagang the journey is really long, and of course it's a challenging one.